When you go and sign up for the free exhibit sticker on ExhibitSticker.com, you'll be sent an email with a download link in it. And this is what the email looks like. This happens to be the PC version, but if you have the Mac version, it'll reflect that as well. You go ahead and click on the download link to download the executable file. And this also has your registration code and links to the guide, the guide for the free sticker, and then also this secret K command that we like to tell people about that helps you add stickers even faster. And we go on and give you some information about testimonials and other happy customers with our paid product there as well. So one tip is to go ahead and just copy this registration code before we do anything else. I'm just going to copy it. And when I've clicked on this link, what will happen is I will be download this executable file. Now it may go into your downloads folder. You'll have to tell it where to go, or you'll have to go find it. But you can search for a promo, because this is the promo either Mac or PC exhibit sticker. So when you're ready to install, just double click on it. It's going to take you through a little installer screen. Click next and agree to the terms. You can read through them there. The next, and since we copied that before we started the installer, it already populated this registration code for us, so it's a little time saver there. Let's go ahead and enter your name and company name, and then this box won't be grayed out anymore. Just hit next and your sticker will be installed. So we hope that you enjoy the sticker. Give it a spin. We do have some tutorials on how to actually use your sticker and some tips and tricks about doing that. Thank you.